In the Robogebra application, if you see a question, it will usually have two types of solutions. One of the solution will be a short solution, similar to the steps written in a guide. It is written from an exam perspective, with direct steps. If you write the answer in this way during the exam, you can complete the exam quickly and score good marks. But sometimes, understanding this short solution directly may be difficult. So for that, there is also a detailed solution. In the detailed solution, first they will give a small overview of what the question is asking. By reading this, you can get a clear idea of what the question. And if you see the solution, it will be explained step by step in a detailed manner. In every step, there will also be a side comment explaining what is being done in that step. Because of this, you can understand the solution easily. Once you understand the detailed solution, if you look at the short solution again, it will be much easier for you to understand. So in this way, you can understand the solution clearly and then use the short answer format to score marks in the exam.